Welcome back to Common Academy. Today we start the class 10th lecture first live. आपको पता होगा बेटा कि अभी जो हमारे एग्जामिनेशन है नया शेड्यूल आया हुआ है। जो नया शेड्यूल है वो उसमें आपको देखोगे कि आपका जो टर्म फर्स्ट एंड टर्म सेकंड करके आपके एग्जामिनेशन में दिया हुआ है। जो टर्म फर्स्ट की बात करते हैं, अगर टर्म फर्स्ट की बात कर रहे थे तो टर्म फर्स्ट में आपके दो चैप्टर हैं। टर्म फर्स्ट में आपके दो चैप्टर है। फर्स्ट वन इज लाइट एंड जो सेकंड चैप्टर है ह्यूमन आई एंड कलरफुल वर्ल्ड। ह्यूमन आई एंड कलरफुल वर्ल्ड। ओके, सो we start the here the first chapter. We start the here first chapter light. Okay, now today we give only a introduction class for the live. Okay, live means here all the classes we start the all the classes of the 10th class. Okay, but here that is the only a introduction class. What is the light? Because we start from the next day. What is the refraction? Okay, but here what is the light? That is only an introduction class. Understand or not? Okay, now what is the light? Light is a form of energy which see our surrounding. What is the light? Light is a form of energy which are see your surrounding. Is that clear? Means basically it is produced due to nuclear fission reaction into the sun. What is the nuclear fission? Because what is the nuclear? How light are produced? How light are produced? Light produced by the nuclear fission of the sun. Nuclear fission. Okay, nuclear fission of the sun. Okay, so then discuss about the what is the nuclear fission here. What is the nuclear fission? Nuclear fission, that process which two nuclear of lighter nuclei and combine to produce nuclear of heavy element, that is the 4 what means helium. Here what is the nuclear fission? Helium and hydrogen combine together, then it produce light, then it produce energy, and it energy reach our on the earth in the form of light. Okay, means how light produce? In the combination nuclear fission of the hydrogen and helium, that is produce the light. Is that clear or not? Is that clear? Okay, now next is energy or radiation produce nuclear fission reaction to form of electromagnetic wave. We already discussed about in class 9th what is the wave. Wave is the disturbance in medium. Wave is the disturbance in medium. There are two types of wave: electromagnetic wave and mechanical wave. Mechanical wave also divided into two parts, transversal and longitudinal. But here energy radiation produced in the nuclear fission reaction in the form of electromagnetic wave. In the electromagnetic wave, in this series band, what the series band? 400 nanometer. What the series band? 400 nanometer. 400 nanometer to 720 nanometer. So 400 nanometer, और इसी को कभी कभी हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि ये जो अप्रोक्सीमेटली होता है 3900 एंगस्ट्रॉम टू ये जो होता है आपका 7200 एंगस्ट्रॉम, या कभी कभी 800 nm भी बोलते हैं। तो जो एंगस्ट्रॉम की बात करते हैं हम लोग, एंगस्ट्रॉम क्या होता है? 1 एंगस्ट्रॉम इक्वल टू 10⁻⁻10 मीटर। ओके, 1 एंगस्ट्रॉम इक्वल टू 10⁻⁻10 मीटर। सो हियर दैट व्हाट इज द बैंड? बैंड इज 400 nm to 720, or we can say that कि the band is 400 nm to 800 nm. nm means nanometer. Is that clear? Okay, now next one is visible region. Visible region, here what is the visible region? Visible is because we know that light have a 7 colors component. Also visible region, 7 colors appear in this region in the form of which form of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Because light have a 7 color, due to electromagnetic wave, because the frequency of light will be same, so it not will be appear, but when light strike on the surface, then it display it into 7 colors. And what the color here? White, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay, on the basis of wavelength, there it is the increasing order, means less wavelength. सबसे कम वेवलेंथ किसका होता है? वायलेट कलर का. सबसे जो आपका वेवलेंथ होता है सबसे कम वायलेट कलर का, और सबसे जो हाई वेवलेंथ है वो क्या आपका? रेड कलर का. बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, जो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है वो होती है वायलेट की, और सबसे लेस फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है वो क्या है आपकी? रेड की. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. क्लियर है ना? आपका क्या है? जो फ्रीक्वेंसी वेवलेंथ की अगर बात करेंगे तो वेवलेंथ क्या होता है? वेवलेंथ मिनिमम. व्हाट इज द वेवलेंथ? मिनिमम डिस्टेंस between two crest. Okay, between two crest, ये that is the wavelength. Wavelength denoted by lambda, and we know that it is always measured in angstrom. Okay, and we know that 1 angstrom is equal to 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, now electromagnetic wave radiation, EMW. What is the EMW? Electromagnetic wave. Source of EMW. How we got EMW? Electromagnetic wave. Accelerating charge particle. How we got the electromagnetic wave? When charge particle start accelerating, then we got a electromagnetic wave. Is that clear? Okay, next one is definition of electromagnetic wave. What is the definition of electromagnetic wave? A wave which possesses electric field and magnetic field, those quantity and direction propagation mutually perpendicular to each other. Means here that is the first wave. Okay, means that is the magnetic wave, and second one is the electric wave. That is the magnetic wave, and second one is the electromagnetic wave. Those wave are propagate perpendicular to each other. Means one wave direction like that, and second one is like that. Both are propagate perpendicular to each other. Is that clear? That is the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. Okay, or electric field. That is the electric field. And second one is the magnetic field. Okay, is that clear? Now one thing more, all types of radiation move with speed of light in vacuum. All types of means what is the speed of light here? Speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and all the radiation means all the colors move with the speed of light, means all the all the disturbance are move with the speed of light in vacuum. Is that clear? That is the mathematical expression. Suppose, okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Suppose strength of electric field is E naught. Strength of electric field is E naught and the magnetic field is H naught. The relation between electric field and magnetic field, it is directly proportional. It is directly proportional. So we got C E naught upon H naught. Then we can find here E naught is equal to CH naught. Okay, that is not correct. C is equal to E naught upon H naught. Then we got, what is the E naught? E naught means E naught electromagnetic field is equal to C multiplied by magnetic field, means that is the electric field is equal to speed of light multiplied by magnetic field. Is that clear? Here E naught electric field is greater than H naught because C is the speed of light vacuum. Okay, जब हम बेटा देखो यहाँ पे विद द स्पीड, वो E naught इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है वो जो C स्पीड ऑफ लाइट मल्टीप्लाई बाय मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, तो वैल्यू E naught की वैल्यू जो होगी वो क्या होगी? ग्रेटर देन होगी. सो वी ऑलवेज राइट हियर E naught ग्रेटर देन H naught बिकॉज C इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वैक्यूम. और व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट? 3 into 10 power 8. एक्चुअल वैल्यू जो होती है बेटा इसकी वो क्या होती है? 2.99 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, next one is here diagram. Here your diagram, that is your 3-dimensional diagram, that is the x-axis. Okay, that is the x-axis, that is the y-axis, and that is the z-axis. That is the electric field or magnetic field, you can anything right here. That is the electric field wave. Okay, all the lights, all the waves are perpendicular, mutually perpendicular to each other. They are mutually perpendicular to each other. That's okay, that are mutually perpendicular to each other. Is that clear? That is means suppose electric field along the y-axis, magnetic field z-axis, the wave move on the x-axis because that is the electric field direction. That is the electric field or magnetic field, you can write anything. That is the magnetic field, means y-axis denoted by the magnetic field direction and z-axis denoted field the electric field direction, and wave move in the perpendicular to both types of wave. Means here magnetic field y-axis and z-axis like that, ऐसे है और ये ऐसे है. ठीक है, तो जो आपका अगर हम इसकी प्लेन की बात करें तो आपका x एक्सिस, इस पर x एक्सिस, ये y एक्सिस और इसके भी परपेंडिकुलर, मतलब यहां से ऐसे वेव इस साइड मूव करेगी आपकी. इज दैट क्लियर? Is that clear? Okay, that is the introduction. That is the introduction of light, and we start the proper classes from the next class. Is that okay? Thank you.